Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the PSD that's in indexed color. This is the root cause of the locked index layer. Once open, immediately make a duplicate file and convert the duplicate to RGB via image mode RGB color so layers become editable. Do this because indexed color flattens and limits editing, converting unlocks full layer capability. Make sure to save the original untouched if you need to preserve the indexed asset for web or GIF use. Once you've converted to RGB, you'll see layers become available. That's why conversion was necessary. If the layer still appears as background, double-click it to rename and unlock. You can then select the contents and press Ctrl/CMD+J to duplicate into a new layer, isolating elements for non-destructive work. Make sure to rasterize any smart objects if you need pixel-level edits, and keep an eye on blending modes. Some will shift when switching modes, so adjust them after conversion. To finish, you can convert the edited file back to indexed color via image mode indexed color if the project requires it. Do this only after flattening or merging visible layers to control the palette. If Photoshop prevents conversion, check for incompatible features. Adjust bit depth to 8-bit/channel, remove alpha channels, and rasterize shapes or text. As a quick troubleshooting tip, if the index option is grayed out, switch to 8-bit RGB and remove any.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.